Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2019 GLA 250 4MATIC. This one's a night black. Underneath there's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 208 horsepower and 253 pounds of torque. For wheels, we've got 19-inch multi-spoke AMG alloy wheels. The tires are in good condition. Front and rear LED daytime running lights. Black MB-Tex interior, panel sunroof. Coming around back, GLA 250 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats, cargo cover. Come alongside, this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats. Hopping in, we've got your steering wheel controls. Also included smartphone integration, which is going to give you Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Paddle shifters for extra performance. Also included is the convenience package, which is going to give you an auto dimming mirror, garage door openers, our media display, push start ignition, rear view backup camera, salt pattern trim, hard keys for a media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, cup holders. This GLA has 14,831 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLA 250, check out feldmanimports.com.